Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our series of videos in which we discuss how to effectively use our channel. Being a channel creator, YouTube creator, being a creator, you are given the dashboard. In the dashboard, you have the you have given the you use the YouTube studio. Within the studio, you have dashboard to tell you your performance and the activity going on, and you get some ideas which the YouTube system gives you. Okay, and you have got content, you have got analytics full of reports and what, right? So today's topic is about this. When you get a message, from YouTube like this, ideas for you, so you have to pay attention in these messages, right? Some days ago, I got a message, which is not available at the moment, but it was telling that one of your video, if you use the promotion, uh, the title of the video was mentioned in here, and if you use the promotion, so you can increase your views and you can increase the reach, and there are plenty of that. So it was a tip that XYZ video is the title of it is given. You should go to the promotion and promote it, and this way you can have that. So I remembered that video name. I went to the contents, and that was my recent video, right? And in which you have, yeah, mm, yeah, this was the video. Oxford report. This is a SAP report, right? And in which I showed many tricks and tips about mastering the material explosion, etc. So the system gave me the idea to go to the promotion, enter it, this takes enter, and your views will increase. So I I believe that the system is telling me, so that is not baseless. So we have to try it. So I went to the promotion, right? In the promotion, I found the new promotion, right? So I added a new promotion, and they asked me which video you want to use. I gave exactly the same video, which is right. Okay. Then they say that what is your budget? I enter. They were offering me to enter the budget of 6,000 Pakistani rupees, PKR, right? So I thought 6,000 is too much, so I just said 1,000. Okay, just to try it. Then 1,000. Okay, they have started. So within a day, hundreds of views and say 80 or 90 a subscriber. Uh, they they were launched. Then the increase of subscriber and increase of views were tremendous. So I that gave me that encouraged me to go to the edit. I went into the edit, and I went to the budget. So this was my budget. So I increased it from 1,000 to 2,000. And the end date is automatically given. That is fine. 21st May was the fine. Okay, we can try after that. Okay. And also, we have the countries option. Which countries do you want your promotion to take place, right? So the Google would use these countries to promote with it. And it is saying when targeting multiple countries, the promotion may serve more in some countries, right? So you have to try your luck that which countries are more relevant to your videos content, and so you should use that. So I use these countries, and that worked very nice. And I have so far I have got 557 promotion views added within how many days time? Just a week or within less than a week. So, and 115 subscribers. Wonderful. So that encouraged me to go back and do some more promotion activity in it. So this is my dearest video, and that was stuck for on less than 100 views or something like this. So I included it as well and allocated some budget to it, and it went very well. So it already it's closer. So that also encouraged me that why not add another video. So I added this another video, and it is also exceptional, doing very well. So the moral of the story and the lessons we we got from all this is that usage of promotion uh, is a great facility for the creator. They should use it to increase the reach of their contents to the viewers all around the world, and it's in your own hand to earn yourself. Let's see how did it affect um, the earnings. So let's go to the analytics, and in the analytics we go to the see more and we go to the date. So this will tell you the views and the earnings side by side. Okay, so you will see. You see, my views were terrible, say too low, right? But as soon as I invested a bit of money, and that money I don't know when they're going to charge me, but they have a local. Maybe they will offset it with my net earning of revenue, which I'm total what revenue will be offset with this cost of budget. So this was the time, 9th of May, when I uh, used the promotion feature of the dashboard of this YouTube studio, and my promotion of videos started, and this was these are how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Within 5 days, I got uh, uh, that much of the cents. Otherwise, the cents were 2 or 3, 1 cent, or sometime half cent. Right? If you see, there so too little earning was reported, but since the promotion has gone up, the views and the cents they tend to increase, right? So this is what I wanted to share with my viewers, that you got to use these features which are already there. The first thing is that you go to the contents and go to the inspiration tab and write down before creating your videos. You first get the inspiration and type the idea on which you are going to. So this is going to give you your outline of the materials, etc., and the title, etc., which you can target. And then once you have uploaded this, and then you have I have got 600 plus videos uploaded, right? So now I will be I'm planning that I will be focusing on certain videos which are not performing. These are good videos but not performing. So why not try the promotion for them? Once you do the promotion, so the wall will be break, and and you will have more views and subscribers, and your channel will grow. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in our next video. Thank you very much.